What do a feather and lavender have in common? Apart from that they both come from nature, you accept both as beautiful. When you find a feather, you don't think, "Ooh, that's an ugly feather, that's come from an ugly bird." When you smell lavender and look at the flowers, you don't think, "Ooh, they're ugly, they're not nice flowers." You accept them both as being beautiful, and you come from nature. So why do you look in the mirror and think, "Oh, you're ugly. Oh, I don't like you"? Why? You are unique. You are one of 7.8 billion people, and there's only one you. That makes you unique and as beautiful as a feather and lavender. So don't you ever forget it.